Adding a portfolio to your Shopify store allows you to showcase your work, products, or projects in a visually appealing way. Here's how you can do it. Choose a portfolio app. Shopify has several apps available in the Shopify App Store that enable you to add a portfolio to your store. Browse through the available options and choose the one that best fits your needs. Install the app. Once you've selected a portfolio app, install it on your Shopify store. Follow the app's installation instructions, which typically involve clicking on Add App and granting necessary permissions. Set up your portfolio. After installation, configure the portfolio settings according to your preferences. This may include choosing a layout, customizing colors and fonts, and adding categories or text for organization. Add your content. Begin adding your content to the portfolio. This may involve uploading images, videos, or descriptions of your work. Ensure that your content is high quality and accurately represents your brand or products. Organize and customize. Arrange your portfolio items into categories or collections to make navigation easier for visitors. Customize the design and layout to align with your store's branding and aesthetics. Preview and test. Preview your portfolio to ensure that it displays correctly on your Shopify store. Test the functionality to make sure that visitors can easily navigate through your portfolio items. Publish your portfolio. Once you're satisfied with the setup, publish your portfolio to make it visible to visitors on your Shopify store.